SkinOrigin is a biomedic product that works in cellular level, using scientific formulation of peptides to strengthen, repair, and heal skin in a natural way. A soft and gentle cleanser that removes all traces of makeup and impurities. Compared to a normal cleanser, with its thick texture, is enriched with ceramide and vitamin E that has the ability to retain skin moisture and strengthen and protect skin barrier. A concentrated exfoliant gel cleanser that has a deep cleansing effect. It is formulated with jojoba beads that remove dead skin cells and eliminate pore clogging impurities, as well as amino acid solution that strengthen and heal skin barrier. As such, this is not a normal cleansing gel that has only a deep cleansing effect, but it has strengthening and healing effect on skin. Gentle Toner is formulated with amino acid solution that strengthen and heal skin barrier and protect skin against free radical. It has the ability to lower the skin pH level, allowing better absorption of concentrate. It also has a great antibacterial effect, which is very ideal for acne skin. AE, a renewing essence formulated with mixed fruit extract and papaya enzyme to speed up skin cells turnover. It gently exfoliates skin without skin feeling dry, tight, and peeling, with amino acid to help repair the skin barrier, refine dilated pores and rough skin texture, decongest clogged pores and comedons. It can be treated as a pimple essence to reduce pimple and acne, as well as lightening pimple marks and balance uneven skin tone. Peptide complex is filled with abundance of peptides that deep moisturize skin. It repairs and strengthens skin barrier system to reduce skin redness, sensitivity, and irritation caused by external harmful factors like UV rays and pollution. It increases production of collagen to smooth expression lines and wrinkles and regain skin firmness and elasticity. It has a lightening effect to lighten pigmentation and balance uneven skin tone, especially for people with pigmentation and dull skin. C-Matrix mask is a post-treatment skin recovery mask that has a strong anti-inflammatory effect to reduce skin redness and control inflammation for irritated, stressed, and sensitive skin that has gone through chemical peel or laser. Enriched with collagen and hyaluronic acid, it delivers deep moisture to skin, reduce fine lines and wrinkles, retain skin moisture, and prevent loss of skin firmness and elasticity, ideally for dry, wrinkled, dull, and sagging skin.